Welcome. The purpose of this dashboard is to explore features of the Florida Ecological Greenways network, also referred to as the FEGN or the network. This dashboard was designed for decision makers, planners, and the public to explore where the network lies within their communities and regions, identify areas most at risk from future development pressure, and identify opportunities for protecting the most ecologically critical lands. With this dashboard, we can explore the network and address questions such as, within my community, where is the network and where are the highest priority areas of ecological significance? What areas are most at risk from development pressure? What areas of the network are in need of protection? This short video will walk through an example of how to use the dashboard. When you first open the dashboard, you will briefly see an information pane, which includes details about the data layers in the dashboard and contact information for the project team. This pane can be reopened by clicking on the arrow on the left side of the dashboard. The dashboard first shows you the statewide network, along with some statewide statistics. The top left corner shows the number of acres in the network for the geography you are viewing. There are 23.1 million acres total in the statewide network. Below that is a chart showing the amount of the protected and unprotected lands in the network, with the protected percentage shown in gray and the unprotected percentage in orange. Protected lands are protected from future development through conservation measures, like land acquisition programs and easements. Unprotected lands have no protection from future development. Approximately 48.1% of the statewide network is protected, and 51.9% is unprotected. The top right corner of the dashboard shows the percentage of the unprotected network that is under threat from development under the 2070 projection for urban development. These projections were derived as part of the Florida's Rising Seas project, and more information is available in the info pane on the left. There are two development projections available in the dashboard, 2040 and 2070, which can be selected from the top right corner menu. Statewide, approximately 16% of the network is under threat from future development by 2070. Additionally, you can click on the County Rank tab to see which counties have unprotected network areas that are most at risk from development pressure. In the bottom right of the dashboard is a bar chart showing the 5 priority levels of the network, based on statewide ecological significance. Level 1 areas are the highest priority for protection, and Level 5 are the lowest. If I click on Priority 1 in the bar chart, the map will refresh to display only Priority 1 areas in the dark green and areas under development pressure in red. You'll notice the other statistics have also updated. Statewide, there are 11 million acres of Priority 1 lands. Of those 11 million acres, 70.9% are protected and 29.1% are unprotected. Of the unprotected lands, 15.7% are under threat from development pressure. If I then click on the unprotected portion of the circle chart in orange, the map will refresh again to only show the highest priority network areas that are currently unprotected. This is approximately 3.2 million acres. If you zoom into the map, you'll notice some red areas on top of the green network areas. These red areas represent projected development under the 2070 trend model. You can also click on the County Rank tab to see the counties where the network has the least amount of protection through conservation measures. With this dashboard, you can also view the Florida Wildlife Corridor, which includes the top 3 priority levels of the Ecological Greenways network. If you turn on the Florida Wildlife Corridor, you can see there are 17.7 million acres in the corridor. In addition to viewing statistics about the network, users can change the base map. You can also turn on and off map layers and click on Map Features for more information. Finally, you can view the legends for the map layers that are currently visible on the map. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and thanks for your interest in the Florida Ecological Greenways Network.